Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X200 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system management. Then let's enter reset options, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. So here your device is informing you that it will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data network and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings, confirm everything with the screen lock, and be aware because you cannot undo this action, so just tap on reset settings, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.